Bigay po sa amin ng Notary Public 101 para po mas maintindihan po namin yung importansya po ng Notary Public at bakit po siya kailangan talagang sinusundan, no? Hindi natin dapat ito baliwalain.
Okay, sige. So, when you say a notary public kasi, it refers to individuals who are authorized to perform notarial acts. Okay? So, when we say notarial acts, ang pinaka-common dyan, lagi natin nakikita, is yung jurat tsaka acknowledgement. Okay? So, itong jurat, ito yung nakikita natin usually sa mga affidavit. Diba nakikita natin sa mga affidavit, meron yan usually sa dulo.
Opo.
Subscribed and sworn to before me. Diba? This 70th day of March, file exhibited to me is competent proof of identity. So itong jurat na to, nilalagay ito para i-attest na yung nagpirma ng affidavit, yung affiant, personally appeared before the notary public. And so yun yung subscribed part. And that affiant took an oath or affirmation. So kaya nakalagay doon that the document was sworn to. Okay? So basically, the affiant took an oath or affirmation that the contents of the affidavit are true. Yun yung jurat. Yung isang pinaka-common na notarial act naman is yung acknowledgement. Ito yung nakikita natin sa mga kontrata. Deed of sale, deed of donation, yung mga extrajudicial settlement. Itong acknowledgement naman, basically, yung mga parties dun sa kontrata, they acknowledge before the notary public that their signature appearing on the document was voluntarily affixed, no? And that they fully understand the contents and consequences of the instrument. Okay? So, bakit mahalaga na ninonotaryo natin itong mga dokumento natin? Unang-una is that ano ba yung purpose ng pagnotaryo? The purpose is for a private document to be converted into a public document. So, ano yung kahalagahan? Bakit kailangan siya maging public document? Kapag dinala mo sa korte yung isang public document, if you want to present it as evidence, you don't need to present further evidence to prove its genuineness and authenticity. Kasi it is already presumed genuine kapag notaryado siya. So, kapag may issue ngayon, if for example, the opposing party contested the genuineness of the document, then the opposing party has the burden to prove that the document is not genuine or not authentic. Okay? Ako, na nag-present ng notaryadong dokumento, wala na akong kailangan patunayan because I enjoy the presumption. Right? Ngayon, if I presented naman a private document, it does not enjoy the same presumption. So, kapag private document yung pinresent ko as evidence, I will have to prove it. I will have to authenticate it in accordance with Rule 132 of our Rules of Evidence. So, kailangan ko pa magpresenta ng witness na nakakita na in-execute yung document, na sinulat mismo yung document. Okay? Yun yung pagkakaiba.